A credit card is not your money. It's the bank's money. When you swipe that card, the bank pays for whatever you just bought. Then you owe the bank. Simple so far. Think of it like this. You walk up to a monkey in a suit. The monkey has a big pile of bananas. You say, "I need 12 bananas right now, but I don't have any." The monkey says, "No problem. Here are 12 bananas. Pay me back by the end of the month." You take the bananas, you eat the bananas, life is good. That's a credit card. Now here's where it gets interesting. The monkey gives you a deadline. Pay back all 12 bananas by the end of the month, and you owe nothing extra. Zero. The monkey makes no money on the deal. This is called paying your balance in full. This is the correct way to use a credit card. But what if you don't pay it all back? What if you only pay back 2 bananas because that's all you've got? Here's what happens. The monkey looks at your remaining 10 bananas. Then the monkey charges you extra bananas just for the privilege of still owing him bananas. Those extra bananas are called interest. And the monkey's interest rate is absolutely brutal. Most credit cards charge somewhere between 20 and 30% interest per year. On 10 bananas, that's 2 to 3 extra bananas a year, except it doesn't work yearly. It compounds monthly. The pile grows faster than you think, and the monkey knows this. Every month you get a bill. On that bill, there's a number called the minimum payment. It looks very small, suspiciously small. That's because it is. The minimum payment is designed to keep you in debt as long as possible, while the monkey quietly collects interest bananas in the background. Paying only the minimum on a credit card is one of the most expensive things you can do with money. So that's how credit card debt works. Now let's talk about the other side. The monkey in the suit doesn't just give bananas to anyone. Before he hands over a single banana, he checks your track record. Have you borrowed bananas before? Did you pay them back on time? How many banana debts do you currently have? All of this gets tracked in something called your credit score. Think of it as your banana reputation. The better your reputation, the more bananas the monkey is willing to lend you, and the better the deal he'll offer. This is why your first credit card matters. Use it, pay it back in full every single month. Don't carry a balance, don't spend bananas you don't have. Your banana reputation grows. Doors open. Better cards, better rates, eventually a mortgage, a car loan. All of it becomes easier because you proved early on that you can be trusted with borrowed bananas. So here's the whole thing in one breath. A credit card is borrowed money. Use it, pay it back fully every month, and it costs you nothing and builds your financial reputation. Carry a balance, pay only the minimum, and the interest compounds until a small banana debt becomes a very large banana problem. The monkey always gets paid. The only question is whether that comes out of your future bananas or someone else's. Use it like a debit card. Pay in full. Never let the pile grow. That's how credit cards work. If this finally made it click, subscribe. New money concept every week. Explained simply. No suits required.